Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows key plus I so you get there fast. Once done, navigate to Personalization and select Lock Screen to see current options and previews. You must decide the background type: Windows Spotlight for rotating images, Picture for a single image, or Slideshow for a folder of photos. Make sure your account has permission to change settings and that the image files are accessible. This prevents errors later on when applying your new wallpaper. Now choose the specific image or folder. If you pick Picture, click Browse, locate the JPG or PNG file and select it. You'll see an immediate preview. For Slideshow, click Add a folder, point Windows to the folder with your photos, and confirm. Windows will cycle through them. Make sure images are not on a disconnected drive and are correctly oriented so they display properly. If you want a consistent look, pick images with similar aspect ratios. Windows will scale to finish by applying the change and locking the screen to verify the new wallpaper shows correctly. Press Windows key plus L to view it instantly. If the lock screen still shows the old image, make sure the selected file's permissions allow your account to read it and confirm the path isn't on an offline network drive. As a quick fix, sign out and sign back in or restart Windows. If problems persist, reset personalization settings or remove, then re-add the image folder to force Windows to refresh its cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.